Hello, my name is Jiaqi. I'm the product owner of this team. I want to design a website used for booking taxi. I told all the requirements to the team to let them make user stories.
Hello, my name is Binhong Guo. I'm the Scrum Master of this team. I call the team and make user stories from product owner and put the high priority user stories from backlog into the sprint backlog. Also help developers to developing the product and communicate with the product owner. And this is all the user stories. From the product backlog, and right now we finished the sprint 1. The stories.
Hi, well, we are developer. My name is Alex.
And my name is Tong Huiwei.
Yeah, and we are the developer, and we find our job on this website, and our developer's job is the complete coding. At first, we found all the user story here, and they are in the sprint backlog. We discussing from to each other and decide who complete which user story. Then we move this user story to the under development. When we completing the code, we move all of them to the under testing, and then we test for each others. If the code is not wrong and all complete, we move and then to the done. And if something errors or the mistakes, we move them back to the under development and told the developer to fix them. When the fix up, we move them back to the under testing and testing again. And then after it's complete, we just move it to the down. That's our
sprint 1 works. Yeah, first you can type in the customer information here, like you can type in around here, and you can see okay after you type in the name. But if you leave this empty, yeah, you can see here is cannot empty. So just run in here and just enter your phone number. Yeah, it's okay. But if you type in like some letters here, you can see it's only numbers here. So must be the telephone number. For the second part is car select. You can select the different type of cars here. First, I choose SUV cars and choose how many seats you want. Choose 6. Yeah, it's all okay. But if you choose sports car here, you can see the sports car is only less than 2, so you have to choose the 2. Choose 1 here. Yeah, it's okay. For the unit, it's not really need for unit, so you can leave this empty. But for street and subs, you have to enter the street name, like Queen Street. Subs is Oakland. Yeah, it's okay. And for the date and time, yeah, can change this one. Yeah, it's okay. But if you choose the day before today, you can see here it's only the time is only after right now. So choose 27. Yeah, for the drop-off address, yeah, the same as the pickup address. So the unit is not need to, and the street and the street, like Long Street, and sub is Oakland. And when you finish this form, you can click the submit button. Yeah, and you can see here, thank you Ronnie for booking reference number. This is your reference number, and you will be picked up on Queen Street at Oakland at this time. The same app as this one. Yeah, thank you.
Hello, I'm a developer of our website design, and now I will describe our difficult point in our website design. It's our website making. The first difficult point is the card type and the card status check each other by each other. What that means? You see, you can choose the different card type here, and like we choose the SUV here. It will check the card state here, and it told you you can just have number 9 as your maximum card state numbers, and when you do it's okay, and you want to change the card type, like change it to the truck, and you see here the card seat now will check again, and you will need to change your card seat to the 5. That's the check each other at, when you change your mind every time. It's a little difficult point too. As about the time date here. At the first, we know that our time is refreshed every second at the background before you select the time. Like we don't need to wait like 1 minute because the time is not going. And the second is the time checked. You can't select the time after right now. See, you just can choose the after that. It's like okay now, and when you choose the earlier, the total you feel here. And the format of the time check is the difficult point 2. The time format translated by the front to the end is not easy to do it. We use a lot of time here, but at last we solve this problem with our with our Screen Master helps.
Of developing in each day, and the red line is actual. At the beginning, it works fine and smoothly, and in the end of the first week, we have some problems to need to discussing. So we didn't work on that day, on day 5. And at the end of the second week, we found the difficult problems need to fix. So we delayed the work at the third week. But fortunately, we finally finished our sprint 1 work at the end of the day.